Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable WalletConnect approvals in WalletConnect V2 detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable WalletConnect approvals in WalletConnect V2, begin by opening your development environment. Locate the configuration file for your WalletConnect instance. In this file, identify the section responsible for connection management. You will need to find the settings related to approval requests. Look for a parameter that mentions approval or session approval. If this parameter is not present, you may need to add it manually. Set this parameter to false or to the equivalent value that disables approvals. Save your changes to the configuration file. Next, navigate to the part of your application where WalletConnect sessions are initiated. Ensure you have access to the WalletConnect client instance. Modify the session creation logic to include the new configuration. Test your changes to verify that no approval requests are generated. To do this, attempt to connect a wallet and observe the behavior. You should find that the approval pop-ups no longer appear. If they still do, double-check the changes made in the configuration file. Make sure there are no syntax errors or typos. Once confirmed, revisit the connection logic to see if any modification overrides the setting. After ensuring everything is correct, you can deploy your application. Monitor user feedback to confirm the new behavior is functioning as intended. With these steps, you will have successfully disabled WalletConnect approvals in WalletConnect V2. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.